Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bros channel. Today we're gonna be playing Clash Royale because Jose Juan requested in one of my videos, that he said Clash Royale, and I think that means that I have to play Clash Royale. So yeah, I got headphones and my microphone here. I got it today. So yeah, I'm testing it out with my face cam and screen recorder. So let's get right into it. So I might be playing 2 times, and that's gonna be it. I can upgrade. And I'm gonna come back again in the video to check out this magical chest. So let's play battle. I might suck, guys. I'm not that good. So yeah, guys, I might suck. I'm not that good at this. I lost, guys. Well, at least I got a crown. That's good. Well played. So let me play another one that fast. So that was easy. Let's open the crown chest. So I got this new one. I'm gonna replace it for... No, I'm gonna leave like that. Tell me if this deck is good or should I change it. Should I change it to one of these? So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna do another video. Request down below if you make comments what other game. If you comment down below, I will give you a shout out in my vlog video. So thank you guys for watching. I'm saying see you later, alligator. Peace.